afternoon, everybody. My name is Carlos Castañeda, and I am a student from the University of Texas at Austin. My goal here is to show everybody how fun science can be, particularly chemistry, for now. My experiments will be more than the simple ones like lava shooting out of volcanoes or Mentos in Coca-Cola. But what exactly is a Mento? Mento is made out of complex sugars that are used in everyday gums and candies. And a scientist in 1999 had performed the first experiment with Coca-Cola and a Mento. When he combined the two, it led to a reaction of CO2 emission, carbon dioxide. It's not so much of the sugar that led to this, but the structure known as nucleation. For this experiment, we're not exactly going to explode some Coca-Cola all over my dorm room, but we are going to combine it with another compound known as potassium chlorate. So some important things anyone needs in an experiment are eye washers, sinks to clean equipment, and the correct lab equipment. What first needs to be done after pouring the crystallized potassium chlorate is igniting your burner so the compound can liquefy. Make sure to clear your surrounding area. When the compound is completely liquefied, we will place a Mento and witness a reaction. You can see the potassium chlorate is melting rather quickly already. Looks about ready. We will check the temperature just to get a good sense of the specific heat required to melt the compound. The temperature was at 375 Kelvin. Now to test the Mento. Enjoy the show. 3, 2, 1. The Mentos seem to work great, but what other sugar compound can we use? Like, what other classic? What about a gummy bear? How exactly would this react with it? Let's take a look. Fire low.
No fear. Like that song.
Well, that was horrible. We have just enough time for one more experiment, and this one is called elephant toothpaste. Caution. Elephant toothpaste consists of hydrogen peroxide that is at 30%. 30% hydrogen peroxide is stronger than the typical store peroxide. This will burn skin, so make sure to have correct safety gear with you. And solution of hydrogen peroxide here, very dangerous. Make sure to wear gloves and safety gear. We watered down some yeast. You can get yeast packets, and we're going to add some dish soap now. Okay. And probably some napkins, we'll get some later. Now, to make elephant toothpaste fun, we're gonna add a little bit of color here. We're gonna add some red. Let's add some red in there, just so we can get a good color. Awesome. Now, when I add the yeast into here, it's gonna cause a reaction, an exothermic reaction, making a foamy material pop out. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay. I'm about to add some yeast into the solution, and let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna need a little bit more napkins now. Elephant toothpaste. So today we experimented with a chemical sugar rush and elephant toothpaste. Tune in next week for some more fun experiments. My name's Carlos Castañeda, and thanks for watching.